The box cutter or utility cutter has been around for decades and has become an indispensable tool for both at work and at home. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Now, Westcott has shaken up the utility cutter market with two ceramic blade models designed for safety, convenience and performance. There's a full-size retractable ceramic utility cutter capable of cutting the largest of boxes and a compact retractable ceramic box opener that can easily be carried in the pocket or on a keychain. In both cases, the ceramic blade lasts longer than a typical steel blade, and the cutter is designed for safe and easy blade replacement. The compact retractable box opener even features an internal magnet so it can be mounted on a refrigerator or other metal surfaces. Pilot Pen Australia is the exclusive distributor of the Westcott brand in Australia, and you can find out more from visiting pilotpen.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.